in a society with a multi-faith population. It's about whether this should be allowed to happen, that a set of law preferred by a group of people is going to predominate over all people from all different types of faith. It's also not about, I think the Hoodoo debate is also not about whether it's Kelantan minding its own business, because once Kelantan is allowed to apply the Hoodoo system, then you would have perhaps next in line Terengganu, you would have Kedah and various other states. It's about opening the floodgate, or the so-called slippery slope argument. It's because in this country, very often politics is predicated upon race and religion. Therefore, sometimes you will have this urge, this unexplainable, at least to me, this unexplainable urge to race towards sort of a contest of competition as to who is more religious, who is more racially minded, who is more racially supreme and pure, and so on. So once you open the floodgate, most probably you will have this, what we call a slippery slope. You will just tumble down. And therefore, I agree with the other speakers, it's everybody's business. And the Hoodoo argument is perhaps not even about amputation of your limbs per se. Because after all, in this country, we still have the death penalty as well as caning as punishments. And these are also means of taking people's life away or maiming people in a slightly less harsh sense, but still it is corporal punishment. It's about the fundamental notion of what we call fair play and substantial justice, whether we get to have a say as to what kind of law is to be applied to all of us, whether groups of people who don't practice a religion should be made to be subject to the jurisdiction and thus the prescribed punishments of a set of law inspired by a certain religion.